here it is, K5 Axial Blazer here. It's going out on its first run, completely 100% stock. I got it all ready. The 3S batteries that I ordered did not fit. The dimensions are off on eMain's website for sure. I thought it was going to be a thin pack like this one. This is a 5000 milliamp 2S that I use in the deadbolt. I got a 5300 milliamp and it is so much fatter, so that kind of sucks. I can't use it in my Revo or in this, so I'm just going to use this pack for now and try to figure out how I can swap out and get some new packs. But yeah, let's get out there and crawl it. Okay, so I got the Blazer out here. Just did some testing. I really enjoy it. It seems really nice. Super smooth crawling. Definitely a winner with the Scx10ii platform. But I'm pretty sure the body is giving you some limitations, which doesn't mean you can't mod to fix them, but definitely this bumper setup, it's pretty flimsy, so you're not going to want to put too much pressure on it. It's just got these little posts, you can adjust it further in. I'm wondering if that Wordy made one I have on my TRX4, I can do a test fit, see if it fits on here. It's got some approach angle issues with that bumper on there. You can see the way that it sticks out, and overall it's just kind of flimsy. The rear one is not as bad, but so the way the body sits on, you can see they have that rear bumper slid out quite a bit. If you want to go with something shorter, you're going to have to cut the body, this rear tailgate portion here, which isn't something I'd like to do. You're going to lose some of the look. But those are just body issues. Those aren't issues with the truck. Issues that I would have with the truck from the factory are these plastic sliders. They're pretty flimsy here. But other than that, this thing is definitely a winner. You can see all the metal links on it compared to my wife's deadbolt. I guess these are different axles as well. I know this is the different transmission. I'm not exactly sure all the specs. One thing I do like is they give you these lights on here. So I have these lights all wired up, which I like. They were on, so that's pretty cool. No headlights in the actual body itself, but they're there. You could put some LEDs in there. But yeah, other than that, this thing is really sweet. It looks really awesome. I like this chassis. I guess I'll have to do a comparison between the TRX4 and this, but I really like how simple these Axial vehicles are, and they really perform well. Even with these tires on here, I'm not a real fan of these Wild Peaks. The Proline definitely makes a much better tire. These are Wild Peak MTs actually. Falcon, yeah, Wild Peak. So these aren't going to stay on here too long. I already have a nice set of Incision wheels. I'm waiting on the other two. I got two sitting. I just had to order two more. So when those come in, I'll probably mount up some bigger tires. I like the Proline XL tires. They're just a little bit, excuse me, they're just a little bit bigger. And I think that is a better way to go. It's just a slightly bigger tire overall. But yeah, I really like this truck, and is going to be getting a lot of use. I will have to get some side-by-side video with this and the TRX4. But yeah, the K5 Blazer, so far, I'm very impressed.